Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand simple arithmetic circuit, a circuit which is going to perform certain arithmetic operations. What kind of operations are performed and how those operations are performed, that we will try to understand in this class. And the circuit is, this is the circuit, and this circuit consists of 4-bit binary adder. The concepts of binary adder has already been discussed in digital logic design. Hoping that you have already watched that course, which is the prerequisite for this course. And the circuit consists of a 4-bit binary adder, and the inputs of this binary adder. So the input y1, the input y of this binary adder is connected to the multiplexer, and that multiplexer is a 4-input, 4x1 multiplexer, 4 input, 1 output multiplexer, and each select line of the multiplexer, so all the select lines of the multiplexers are interconnected. See here, the select lines S0 and S1 are connected to each and every multiplexer. For a specific value of S0 and S1, a specific output will get generated. So now we will try to understand what are the outputs that are generated when the values of S0 and S1 are provided with some bits. So let's try to understand that. The 0th input is okay. So let's try to understand by providing the values of S0 and S1. For example, if the value of S0 and S1 is 0, 0. Whenever the value of S0 and S1 is 0, 0, what is the output that is generated by the multiplexer? So whenever the value of S0 and S1 is 0, 0, the 0th line of each and every multiplexer will get selected. So what is the input line that is connected to 0th input? The input that is connected to the 0th input is B value. The value of B will be produced as the output whenever the value of S0 and S1 is 0, 1, 0. So what is the output that it is going to produce? It is going to produce the complement of B. See here, the one input line, the input line 1 is connected with B complement. So whenever the value of S0 and S1 is 1, 0, it is going to produce an output of B complement. Similarly, whenever the value of S0 and S1 is 0, 1, what is the output that it is going to generate? The output generated by the multiplexers is, so what is the value that the input line 2 is connected to? The input line 2 is connected to 0. See here, the input line 2 is connected to 0. All the input lines 2s are connected to 0, and all the input lines 3s are connected to 1. See here we are having a circuit. It is continuously provided with 0 and it will get negated whenever the select line is whenever the select line S0 and S1 is provided with 0, 1. It is going to select the select line 2, which is provided with the input 0. See here, 0 is provided, and whenever the select line S0 and S1 is 1, 1, it is going to select the select line 3, which is provided with an input of 1. Okay, so now see here, whenever S0 and S1 is equal to 0, 1, it is going to select 0. Whenever the value of S0 and S1 is 1, 1, it is going to select the select line 3, which is provided with an input of 1. Okay, so now how the value of D is generated by each and every full adder? How the value of how this value of D is generated by the full adder? A full adder is capable of adding 3 bits. What are the bits that are added by each and every full adder to generate the value of D? That we will try to understand, and it is very important to understand. So the value of D on the full adder is generated by the sum of X0, Y0 and C0 in order to generate D0. So what are the values that this full adder is going to add? It is going to add X0, Y0 and C0. So the X0 value on each and every full adder is directly connected to A. Okay, so in order to generalize the terms, so the D is generated by adding the value of A plus it is going to the D value is generated by the sum of A plus Y. how this value of y is decided? It is decided by S0 and S1. So the sum of a plus y plus the next input is C in. What is the value of C in? C in, the value which is provided by the C in is one of the value which decides the value of D. Okay, the value of D is decided by x0, y0 plus c0, which is a plus y plus cn. Okay, so now whenever the select lines and the cin is provided with the values, what are the operations that are performed by this circuit? That we will try to understand. So what are the operations that are generated, that are performed by this circuit? That we will try to understand now with the values of S0, S1 and Cn. Okay, Cin. I am saying it as C, it is Cin. So whenever the value of S0, S1 and Cin is provided with values. So what are the values that can be provided with S0, S1 and Cin? It is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. The possible values are 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, it is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and the other possible value is 1, 1, 1. So these are the values that can be provided to S0, S1 and Cn. So whenever the value of S0, S1 and Cn is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So what happens? Whenever the value of S0 and S1 is 0, 0, the 0th input will get selected. So the value of D is equal to, A plus equation. The value of it is going to be A plus. So whenever 0, 0, 0 is provided for these values, what is the equation that is generated? It is A plus, so 0, 0 means the B input will get selected, 0, 0 means B input will get selected, plus Cn is equal to, Cin is equal to 0. So it is going to be A plus B plus 0. A plus B plus 0 means whenever the value of S0, S1 and Cn is 0, 0, it is going to add A plus B. The values of A and B will get added. See here, the value of A and B will get added and it is produced as the value of D. Okay, so what is the operation that it is going to do? The operation is add. So it is going to add A plus B. So what is the operation that is done? Whenever the value of S0, S1 and Cn is 0, 0, it is going to add A plus B. The next value is S0, S1 is equal to 0, 0 and Cn is equal to 1. So it is going to be A plus B plus 1. Okay. Okay. So it is add with carry. So it is going to add with a carry. The carry value is 1. Whenever the S0, S1 is 0, 1 and the Cin is 0, so what it is going to produce? So it is going to produce B complement. Whenever the value is S0 and S1 is 1, 0, 1, 0, it is going to produce B complement. So the equation is A plus B complement plus 0. So A plus B complement is subtract with a borrow. Subtract with borrow. The operation done is subtract with borrow. Whenever the value of S0, S1 is 0, 1, 0 and the Cin is 1, so what it is going to produce? It is going to be A plus B complement plus 1. So this is important point to understand. So B complement was plus 1. So what this B complement plus 1? It is the 2's complement of B. What is the 2's complement of B for a given value? If you find the 2's complement, what it is going to be? It is B bar plus 1. So B complement plus 1 is going to be the 2's complement. So adding A plus any 2's complement value is A minus B. See here, whenever we add A plus 2's complement of a value, any value plus 2's complement of another value, it is going to be A minus B. So this is going to subtract A and B. Okay, so the operation that is performed, it is it is going to subtract A minus B when the value of S0, S1 and Cn is 1, 0, 1. Okay, whenever the value of S0 and S1 is 0, 1, 0, what it is going to produce? So 0, 1, 0 means it is going to select 0. So it is going to be A plus the value of Y is equal to 0 plus 0. So it is going to transfer A. So what is the operation it is going to do? It is going to transfer the value of A. Whenever the value of S0, S1 is 0, 1 and Cn is 0, it is going to transfer. So what it is going to do? It is going to transfer the value of A. The values that are present at A will be transferred as the output. If you want to transfer the value of A out of the circuit, just provide the values of S0, S1 and Cn as 0, 1 and 0. Whenever the inputs are 0, 1 and 1, the value of S0 and S1 is 0, 1 and the Cn is 1, it is A plus the value of Y is 0 plus 1. So what it states is increment the value of A 1, increment the value of A. It is going to increment A. So let's expand this. Increment the value of A, and whenever the value of S0 and S1 is 1, 1, S0 and S1 is 1, 1 and Cn is 1, so what it is going to produce as the output? So what it is going to produce as the output? It is A is common for all the values plus the value of Y. The value of Y is decided by 1 and 1. So the value of S0 and S1 is 1, 1. So it is going to be 1. A plus 1 plus 0. See here what we have to understand is A plus 1 means it is not increment of A. So here what's happening is to each and every value of A, to each and every bit of A, 1 is added. So what does that mean is, for example, if the value of A is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, if this is the value of A plus 1, so here what this A plus 1 means is, so for every value of A, 1 is added and the Cn is 0. So A plus 1. So for this bit 1 is added, for this bit 1 is added, for this bit 1 is added and for this bit also 1 is added. So let's see the output of this. It is going to be 0, 1. It is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So this is carry out. So the value is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. So what's happening here is whenever the inputs of S0, S1 is 1, 1 and the Cn value is 0, what's happening is it is going to perform decrement of A. See here. So here the value of is 5 and the output that we are going to get is 4. So how we are going to decrement is, so what is this? This is the 2's complement value of 1. So what is if you take 4 bit 0, 0, 1, what is the 2's complement of it? The 2's complement of it is going to be 1, 1. Whenever we add 1, 1, 1 to it, so 1, 1 to it means A minus 1. A minus 2's complement of 1 is added means it is A minus 1. Okay, so this value, so this is very important to understand. Watch this again and again. So it is the operation that is performed by this is it is A minus 1, which is decrement A. We are going to decrement the value of A by 1. So whenever S0 and S1 is 0, 0, 1, 1 and the Cn value is 1, so what it is going to do? It is A minus 1 plus 1. See here. So we are doing A minus 1 here and here we are going to add 1, which means it is going to be A. So which is transfer A. Okay, so these are the operations that are performed by this circuit. What kind of operations it is going to perform? It is add A plus B, add with carry, subtract with borrow, subtract, transfer A, increment A, decrement A, and transfer A. So these are the operations that are performed by our arithmetic circuit. Hope you got the clarity on this concept, and our suggestion is, please watch this video as many times as possible until you get the complete clarity of this concept, because this concept is very, very important to understand. We are going to create dots in this video and in our next two videos also. So now in the fourth video we are going to connect these dots. Okay, so hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.